Boom, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pandu from TechDude. Today we are going to unbox a TWS, and this time we are going to unbox budget TWS from Amazon. And let's open this thing. And this is what we are going to unbox this time, and this is an TWS from OnePlus, and it is called as OnePlus Nord Buds 2, and here you can see manufacturing details, and it costs around 3,300 rupees on the MRP. And if you want, you have to check the links in the description so you can purchase this product. And let us remove the seal.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
Just peel this thing off. Okay, and it opens like this, and just drag the things out, and this is how the TWS looks. And okay, happens. And just remove this cover. Everyone is trying to copy Apple, I guess, but they are not that premium. And here how this TWS looks, and the box seems pretty simple, quite minimal, and the plastic is cheap. Talking about the build quality, and it comes with a glossy finish, and they fit in here completely pretty well. As you can see, I'm just nodding it and looking up, looking down, and tricking. You know, my ear shapes are weird, so they fit properly. And inside the box you have documentation, and this is how the documentation looks. And this is an user manual. We are just going to throw this away, and you will get one OnePlus sticker, and plus red cable club, and some extra ear tips, as you can see here. Let us keep this aside. And one USB-C A to C type cable from OnePlus, and it's a red color cable. Let us connect the TWS and check out the audio quality. And you had one if while connecting you will listen to one pop-up sound, and here we go. And here is the final review of the OnePlus Buds 2. Talking about the sound quality, in low end the treble is much more than the bass, which covers the masks the vocals technically. It has well refined audio in the budget segment under 3K, and under 3K budget range, this TWS is completely worth it in terms of audio. The TWS are pretty comfortable if you are listening to rock, EDM, and Bollywood songs, etc. And I suggest you to listen around 60 to 70% of volume, which is a sweet spot for the volume. And it sounds super clean, no color stuff, like nothing is optimized overlay. And if you use this OnePlus app to customize your earphones or TWS, there is nothing more difference. There is no notable difference when you customize on your own. And I recommend, I already told you, the sweet spot of this TWS is around 60 to 75. Listening to more than that, they are pretty loud. This TWS sound damn pretty loud, which may also cause you ear loss damage and stuff. And my final verdict is that if your budget is around 3,000, just go for it. Just go for this OnePlus Buds 2, and without any hesitation. If you are new to this channel, drop a like, drop a comment, and subscribe my channel Tech Dude.